Hello, my name is Joy. Have you heard of our Digital Skills Scholarship Training on Website Design and Digital Marketing SEO? In this training, you will learn how to build professional websites using WordPress. You will also learn how to attract customers from Google using SEO, that is, Search Engine Optimization. You will learn how to design beautiful graphics using Canva. You will also get to learn skill monetization, that is, learning how to make money from the skills you have learned. In this training, you will also learn ebook creations, that is, creating digital products using ebooks. Guess what? This training is going to be practical hands-on training.
My name is Deborah. I am very satisfied with the website design and digital marketing training.
My name is Gift Abu. Honestly, before coming here, I had no experience in WordPress and no business idea. But within these 3 weeks, I've been able to develop myself, and I can say that I'm proud to be a WordPress designer. Yes, I'm satisfied.
By name. The training, I had some limitations in my business marketing, especially in the areas of how to get across to customers through ebook and how to promote my business using website designing. But in the course of this training, I have gotten some exposures that has brightened me up and definitely will help me improving myself in the areas of my business promotion.
I am Grace Elijah. A lot from this training. I've been able to create websites from the scratch using WordPress, and I've been able to design using Canva, and then I learned about the search engine optimization, how to use it and make my website #1 so far. Yes, I'm 100% satisfied with the training.
Isn't this wonderful? What are you waiting for? Visit any of our offices today for registration or call the numbers on your screen. We are in a digital economy. Learn a digital skill today and do not be left behind. We can't wait to have you with us. Bye.